Anarchy, and today I have a very ambitious video for you guys. I decided to do a look with all three Norvina palettes. If you guys don't know, Anastasia Beverly Hills just released 3 palettes from the Norvina collection. There's a volume 1, a volume 2, and a volume 3. There was volume 1 released last month, and volume 2 and 3 just got released like last week. From what I can tell, something must have gone wrong behind the scenes, and I think they were supposed to be released in like volume 1 in the spring, volume 2 in the summer, and volume 3 in the fall, because like that's what the color stories seem like, and also the promo material seems like that. But something must have happened and they had to release them all at once, and I got them all in PR, and I got overwhelmed and I wanted to make video on one of them, and then I just never did, and then all of them came and I didn't know what to do, so now I'm making a video with all 3 of them. So basically I have done 3 looks themed after each Norvina palette and like the color story they have, and even some of the promo materials that Norvina released. And here they are, and I did them all, and now they're all edited together, and I'm very tired and I'm going to go take a nap. But before I do, watch all the looks and enjoy them. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so first up is Norvina Volume 1. There's a lot of really pretty purples in here, and so for this look I did something kind of themed out of Norvina herself. She really loves purples, and so I did this like cut crease with like a halo eye in the center. I wanted to make it look really deep and dimensional. Like, she does these really dramatic dark looks, so I just wanted to pull something from that. And in the promo materials for this palette, they also had a lot of like crystals and stuff like that, so I added this little crystal teardrop at the end. And yeah, I just wanted to do something closer to something that Norvina would actually do herself, but with a little bit of myself added onto it too. Okay, next up is Volume 2, and there were a lot of really pretty blues and greens in this palette, so I knew I had to do something with them. At first I was also going to add some pink in, but I decided at the last minute that that would be too much, so that's why, like, if you notice this look looks a little weird, it's because I put on some pink and then removed it and then just kept going, but I cut that out for obvious reasons. But yeah, I went with kind of like a cutesy alien vibe because I was super inspired by the Dimension star glitters that came in the PR package, which are absolutely amazing, and the glitter adhesive that came with them was also really, really great. I'm going to be using it a lot more from now on. And yeah, just wanted to be like kind of an alien cutie for this one. And last is Volume 3. Not my favorite palette, but by far my favorite look. I think Volume 2 is my favorite palette, but Volume 3, this look I absolutely love. In the promo material for Volume 3, Norvina was like covered in butterflies, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna do something with butterflies too. So I just did a very simple kind of like sunset look on my eyes with a little bit of a twist with that yellow pop at the bottom, which is something I've never done, but it looked really, really good when I was done with it. I was scared to do it at first, but like, I love how it turned out. I also used the little clips that came with Volume 3 in my hair, and I don't know, everything just came out really, really cute and really dramatic and pretty, and I loved it. And yeah, this is by far my favorite look. Okay, and this is the final Norvina look with Norvina 3. I absolutely love how this look came out. It's probably my favorite of all three. Although I really like the one I did for Norvina 2 as well. This is amazing. I'm happy also this is the last one I'm doing because this is what I can wear for the rest of the day, and I love it. I think I look super, super cute. I love all the butterflies. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for going on this long makeup journey with me. I absolutely love these palettes. They're great. Whichever one you decide to get, or if you decide to get all three, I think they're a great investment. Like, the colors are amazing. They have completely different color stories, as you can see. I think they're really cool, and I'm really happy with how all this turned out. So yeah, with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, be sure to leave a like. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comments down below. Let me know which look was your favorite, which Norvina palette's your favorite, if you're gonna get one, if you already have one, what you think. And yeah, with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!